First day back after Christmas, so and it's pretty cold. We've just been laying some loading some block out, but yeah, I didn't get, so we put these boards down before Christmas. This is a video you're going to watch now, but we're sort of rushing. It was Christmas and I had enough recording and doing anything really, so we these are the boards we're laying. So they're the boards that we've laid. Look, they're alright actually, protect. I normally use the Egger boards. These ones, chipboard underneath and the Egger boards are both sides, so I do prefer the Egger boards, but these are quite good actually. They've got this protective stuff on. You'll see in video, we're cutting them this way up. Really bad idea. We should have cut everyone upside down because all this got caught in my saw and nearly broke the bloody saw. My little circular, so yeah, cut them upside down if you get any of these. But yeah, so right, I'll show you the video and hopefully we can crack on with this and record for next week's video. This is it. Weather's stayed off, but it could rain. But we're going to lay these boards, some down there, some there, and that's the glue for it. Glue on joists and glue every joint to make it waterproof. I've just marked this board up. We're just going to cut it. We're stopping at the steel beam wogs up, so we're going to cut that so every board lands on a joist. That's the idea. Sounds like batteries running out as well. Right, then we're going to have to glue this edge and this edge to make it waterproof before we lay it. Get it on, get it on.
Now on offer at Tool Station, the two-grade plasterboard finishing solutions range, made to work with you.
Merchant sales grew nationally by just 0.8% in the last year.
Then you need to glue on these as well. It says 6mm beads, so you just whack it on there. More the merrier if you ask me.
Has donated hundreds of toys, books and games for a Christmas appeal. Bellway's local office pulled in support from its
yeah. Just put a screw in this corner so we can get this next board and then make sure it's level. Just put one in for now. Yep. Just lay it down. Let's shove it in. Yeah. Look at this idiot here. It nearly tips off every time he goes round the corner. It's alright though, pallets are holding it from busting out. Little flimsy pallets, they're holding them in. They're fine. Don't worry about it. Right, we had to stop yesterday, it was just too much rain. So we just got 2 boards down. Finished out noggies and that on other stuff though, and all bolts and that. A couple of dry hours, so we need to crack on and get some more of this down, and then dry day tomorrow. Hopefully we can do a bit today and then finish it tomorrow. That's the plan. Since I coming home, my body's been a mess. Got a couple down. What I've done is I've just put odd screw in, because more screws you have in, more holes you have, so you only need enough to hold it till you've done them. When we get roof on, we can screw it up properly then, when we know it's watertight. Yeah, just heading down this bit now, because the boards are in way, and then we'll work that way again. I don't know if we've got enough boards though. We'll find out though later. Right, we've got to put a strap in here. It's got down for a strap, but it don't need them really, like, but you know, get them in while we're here. I've already forgot, it's supposed to have 2 in it, it says on plan, but with 1 it is. Sod it. Don't even need them, all steels and everything's holding everything together. It's just not doing out really, but you know, why not? Yeah, it's just a waste of time really. The wall here, that's holding it, that's holding this big banker wall. It's got another wall there. Well, that goes straight. That's odds it. That odds that wall. Like, waste time. That storms are starting to come in, so I'm just taping these edges up because just so it don't get damp on these edges, and then it's dry tomorrow. So hopefully we can get it done tomorrow. So all edges are getting glued, even these ones, and we've done all back ones as well. Plenty of glue. So. And then I'll tape this one unless it don't rain, and we'll carry on. I'll just leave that till last minute. That's it, we've got all can down, we're out of boards. There's 2 there, but we need some more for that, so we've just stopped. But yeah, looking pretty good. So you can see how it's all foamed up around here. Look, we've had to. You gotta do this on every bare edge, or tape it up, or both. So that's what we've done, and then just gonna over any gaps. And then it has got this stuff on here. Look, see that there? That's like a tape, so that peels off afterwards when you finish job, basically. Yeah, when you're cutting these boards, cut them upside down, not face up like us idiots, because it just gets stuck in your saw and wrecks it. Lesson learned there. But yeah, that's it, all done. That's it for us. We just put a coal hump back on that as well, got that in, and that's ready for us to start when we come back after Christmas. So this is what it looks like from underneath. All glue drips down, which is fun. If you've got to make sure you're not underneath it. It's quite a big job. Staircase goes in here, and then through here. This has all been. This is where that conservatory was, and it's been knocked down. So it's made it look a lot bigger in here. So it's going to be quite a big build. This. We might have some problems when we get to the roof because the floor's quite high and the roof is very low. So. Yeah, that's one architect's already said it's going to be a bit of a nightmare, that, but I'm guessing we'll just get up there and we'll see what it's like and go from there, really. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one, get some block work done. So that is it, I'm back home. Really short video because, well, it was too near Christmas and I was just like, just get it done, let's get it done. And yeah, completely worn out, but I feel great now. 2 weeks off, fantastic, and we've been back Tuesday, so we've been back yesterday and today, and the weather's not been that great really, but we have managed to get little bits and bobs done. So I will be getting another video out next week, doing the block work, and then hopefully next couple of weeks we can get on that roof and well, have a good think about it, and well, might have to think about it before then, see what his heights are, and got to order some steel. All steels. I think it's got steel beams in roof and stuff. I haven't been worrying about it too much. I haven't really had a look at it because you can just get ahead of yourself looking at everything at once. So I'll look at that this week some point and start getting some stuff ordered for that, really, and get all lintels here. And I'm gonna have to measure them next couple of days, so they're in next week, so we can hopefully we'll get block work up a bit and then we can get these lintels on. But yeah, that is it. So yeah, hope you all had a good New Year and a Christmas. And I'll catch you in the next one. Check out some other videos if you've got time. Give us a like, subscribe, hype, comment. See you in the next one.